Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and guess what? We're making supper again. Tonight I'm making something I know the kids are gonna love. We're making bacon cheeseburger quesadillas. Steakhouse Bacon Cheeseburger Quesadillas right here on the Blackstone Griddle. Gonna be super easy, super delicious, super fun, and the kids are gonna love it, I promise you. Adults too, I think the adults might like it. But anyhow, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here. Hit that thumbs up, ring that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the videos we do. Speaking of videos, if you don't see what you're looking for, check the playlist down below in the description. Whole playlist, all kind of recipes. If you don't see what you're looking for, let us know in the description. If you've been here, thank you so much. You're the reason we keep doing what we're doing. Because without your support, none of this would be possible. Yeah, it's a little windy out here this evening, but that's okay. We can fire this griddle up. We can cook in the wind. Ain't gonna be a problem. Speaking of cooking, we got to get this griddle fired up, show you some groceries, and get to eating. All right, let's get this Blackstone fired up. Tonight, we're going all for burners, all the way across. But I'm gonna go down to about, I don't know, right about medium, maybe a little lower. If we need to adjust, we will. Now for the groceries. Man, it's super simple. We got roughly about 2 pounds of ground beef. We have 2 pounds of bacon. That's right, 2 pounds. Can you have enough bacon? I don't know. We're gonna go with 2 pounds and see if that is enough. We have 1 medium diced up yellow onion. I don't know, we just grabbed a whole handful of some Kobe Monterey Jack cheese here. Use as much as you want. We just grabbed a bunch of it. We got some tortillas back here, some large flour tortillas. And here's what we're gonna use to season. Some steakhouse seasoning. Cause I need to get some more, don't I? Getting kind of low. I think this will be enough for what we're gonna use. Griddle is ready. That only means one thing. It's time to get some groceries on this griddle. Let's go ahead and throw down our bacon, y'all. Oh yeah, listen to that sound. I'm going all 2 pounds here, y'all. Why am I putting 2 pounds of bacon on here? Bacon. There we go, bacon's on. We're gonna let this bacon get kind of good and crispy, and we're gonna get cooking something else. Let's go ahead and start flipping some bacon. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, buddy. Now some of this bacon will cook quicker than others, just simply because of where it's at on the griddle. As you see, this in the center is cooking a lot faster than these on the edges. And that's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. Move stuff around as we need to here, see there? Not a big deal. All right, we got most of this bacon cooked up. Won't be long, it's gonna be ready. Go ahead and move some of this bacon around. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and slice some of this bacon over, because it will kind of continue to cook over here and crisp up a little more. Got a few little pieces of bacon left to do. We're gonna leave the rest over the side. That'll get good and crispy. Then we're gonna throw some hamburger up on this thing. All right, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn all burners down to low. We're gonna slide that bacon on over and just kind of keep it warm over there. Throw a burger on here. We'll let this bacon kind of sit over here and do its thing. Y'all look at that. Look at that big old pile of bacon. I'm okay with just a pile of bacon, honestly, but we're gonna make this thing. Get our hamburger on here, y'all. Throw your hamburger on. Throw your onions on. Hit it with the steakhouse. Now, in case you didn't catch what I did, I threw that hamburger and onion down in that bacon grease. Yeah, buddy. Man, this griddle is smelling good. Now, a lot of times I'll use my scraper for something like this, like the hamburger meat. Kind of chop it up. Now, while that burger's cooking, it's always good to go ahead and keep on flipping that bacon around over here. Kind of keeping it around. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide this burger over a little bit. We're gonna throw a cutting board on here, start chopping that bacon up, and throw it in the hamburger mix. I'm gonna throw you over here. Let you cook right there. Cutting board. Some bacon. Throw all the bacon up here. Let it cool off just a minute because it's going to be hot. It's going to be hot, hot, hot. Now from here, I'm just going to rough cut the bacon, throw it back in that hamburger meat. All right, bacon's cut. So what we're going to do is just take it and just slide it. Notice I did say a very rough cut. Cut the bacon up like you want it. I want big chunks of bacon. Get all you back together over here now. Get it good mixed up together. Take a little bit of hamburger meat, ain't quite done yet. That's all right. All right, we'll let that cook just a few more minutes. We're gonna be ready to make some quesadillas. I believe this hamburger, onion, bacon mix is ready. It sure is smelling good. Let's slide all of it over here. Make one big pretty pile over here. How's that? Throw out a couple of the quesadillas. Let's throw out 2 of them for right now. Go ahead and throw us some on here. Let's throw some back here too. What y'all think of that? Throw a little more. A little more never hurt. Throw some cheese down. Oh yeah, buddy, there's gonna be some good eating here. Flip it on over. There's gonna be a big old thick thing here, ain't it? Man, it's gonna be thick quesadillas here. Yeah, buddy. I don't know about you, but I want a thick quesadilla. I don't want no flat. All right, let's see if we can flip these things. Oh yeah. Look at that, look at that. Looking good. That side there could have browned up a little bit more. I think we might do it, but that side there's looking good, ain't it, y'all? I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this far burner off. Just let everything stay warm over there. All right, let's give these a flip again and see what we got. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for here. A little bit better, a little bit better. Got some bacon over here I want to hide. We're gonna throw you all back together. Get you over here with your nice, happy family. Y'all get over there and have a good time. Y'all, quesadillas are ready. We gotta take these things up cut them up and eat them up. Slide you over here. Get y'all up here. We fit to cut this thing up here in a minute. I don't know about y'all, but them some good looking Steakhouse Bacon Cheeseburger Quesadillas. I mean, look at that bacon. Got cheese trying to sneak out in there. Look at that. Knowing all that burger's up in there. Look at that. Focus on that burger. Some of that onion hanging out there. Yeah, buddy. These are gonna be good. All right, y'all, we gotta cut these up into bite-sized pieces. So I think I'm just gonna cut it right here. Got a little crisp to it, y'all. Cut it right here. This thing's just still hot. Woo! Y'all, wasn't that easy? And it looks delicious. It really does. And y'all, we gotta try this out before the kids get out here, because if the kids get out here, I'll never get a bite. So let's try it out. Yeah, buddy. That is perfect. Hamburger meat with that bacon and onion, with that steakhouse seasoning and all that cheese. Wait a minute. Good. And that light crunch of that tortilla shell, perfect. Super simple, I promise you. Kids are gonna love this thing. Adults too. So, make this for supper one night, make it for a snack, make it for lunch. Shoot, make it for breakfast. It's got bacon in it. It's a bacon knife, see? It's breakfast, whatever you want to do. Anyhow, all that being said, hey, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.